Hi students, welcome to Writing 5 for spring of 2022. My name is Kathleen Reynolds and I'm very happy to be your teacher for this online class. I have been a teacher at Harper College for more than 10 years and an ESL teacher for more than 20 years. And I love teaching Writing 5 and seeing students reach their goals. I have taught this class online, blended, and face-to-face format. So I'm happy to be your guide and your support this semester, and I hope we have a really successful semester together. I look forward to getting to know you through your writing and online as part of our journey. So in this video, I'm going to explain about our Blackboard site, and I'll also go over the syllabus as well as the first week's assignment for our course. So this is our Blackboard site for this course. If you have not used Blackboard before, you can visit the website harper.blackboard.com, then navigate to our course ESL 074, Writing 5. On the left, you see the menu items like announcements. For example, here I will put the new announcements or every week, and you will also receive these in your Harper email. The next tab is for the syllabus and schedule. You can see it's available in both PDF and Word formats. And the syllabus is the guide for the whole class, so I do want to go over a few points in our syllabus together. So our class dates are January 18 to May 20. We don't have any meeting times because this is a fully asynchronous, means no online meeting time class. We will have optional group sessions at times to be announced. I'm sending you a link to pick the best times for you to attend group sessions, or if you prefer not to attend group sessions, that's okay. You can tell me that too. We will also have individual sessions with me, and I will have morning, afternoon, and evening times available for conferences. Those are important to attend. Whenever you meet with me, you can meet at my WebEx link, which is here, and it's also on Blackboard. The last day to change your schedule for this semester will be January 24. If you need to make any changes, make sure to make them before then, or you will have to pay the full price. And the last day to withdraw, which means you get a W on your grades instead of F or D or whatever the grade would be April 25. So my name is Kathleen Reynolds. I prefer to be called Kathleen. That's absolutely fine. This is my phone number in the office. It's for voice only. This is my email address. Please notice that there's no S, even though in my last name there's an S, there's no S on my email here. These are my office hours. The best way to reach me is by appointment, so that we can make a time to meet. If you can always email me, or if you prefer to text, you can join my text service at Remind here, and that way we text each other without exchanging our personal information, but it's a private text between you and me if you'd like to do that. So some information about our class, Writing 5. It's the transition level for English 101. That means if you pass this class, then you're able to go to English 101. As long as you've completed your Reading 5 or reading requirement for the campus. So in this class, we will be working on writing cause, effect, and argumentation essays. So those two styles of essays, cause, effect, and argument essays with clear, comprehensible language use. That means sentence structure, grammar, vocabulary, and mechanics, interesting content, and good clear organization. So you need to be able to access Blackboard and submit assignments on a computer. There are no books required for this class. We will use open educational resources. You will not be able to complete this class on a tablet or phone. You need a computer to be able to write essays. So you can borrow a computer for free for the semester from Harper College. This is the link to fill out if you need to do that. This is some information about internet access that you will also need. And if you would like to use Microsoft Word as your word processing product, that is also free for you as Harper students on 5 devices using this link and your Harper username and password. Our class will be graded in the following 4 criteria. At-home writing is writing that we do in several drafts with feedback and conferences. We will write 4 essays. And each one takes about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, I guess. We will also do timed writing tests, which we write an essay within 2 hours. We will have editing quizzes or concept checks about important grammar concepts, and we will have homework. This is the grading scale for the ESL department. Please note that according to our agreement with the English department, a grade of B, 85% or higher, is required to pass this class and move to English 101. I will always give feedback on Blackboard as well as in individual conferences with you. If you have any questions, you can let me know. And I keep grades up to date in Blackboard Grade Center. If you are late with any homework, you can do it within 1 week. It will have a 10% deduction in grade, but past 1 week, I cannot accept late work. So don't plan to do all your work at the end of the semester. If you ever miss a test or quiz, make sure to let me know right away. At the end of the semester, you will receive a survey with your opinions of the class and how it went, your opinions of me as a teacher, so I encourage you to answer that. We are still experiencing a global pandemic. I understand that you might face many challenges with illness, work schedule, child or family care. And the most important thing to do is communicate with me. So if you don't want to share details, that's okay, but I need to know, I need you to communicate with me so that I can help you and be flexible with you in class. If you don't communicate with me, I cannot help you. I don't know what to do to help you, right? If you disappear. So please let me know, always by email, in person, or by text if you prefer. Okay, we don't have an attendance requirement in this class because it is a fully online class. This information is about respectful behavior at Harper College. Harper College has a testing and vaccination requirement for on-campus classes. Since our class is online, we do not need to worry about it, but if you do have any questions about it, maybe you are taking other on-campus classes, I would be happy to try to help. If you're sick with COVID-19, you can report it at this link here, and they will give you some resources and help you contact all your faculty about it. So we're here to help you with that. The next section is about academic dishonesty, which means copying from the internet, from other people, or otherwise sort of cheating in class. So just to be clear from the beginning, the first time in my class, if we have an example of academic dishonesty, you would receive a written warning and you would be allowed to redo an assignment. The second time you would receive a 0. That's very devastating actually for the grade for this class because you do need an 85%. I will also have to file a report to the Student Conduct Office. If you have questions about what's plagiarism or what's academic dishonesty, let me know and I will help you. We have some more information now from Harper College, including many resources that are available to help you, depending on groups that you're a member of or other, needs you might have, like for looking for a job or some food needs, counseling, many different areas that we have, so you can look that over. Finally, this is the schedule for our class that tells us what we are studying each week and when we have major tests and assignments due. So I will also be posting that information each week on Blackboard. Please notice that spring break is the week of March 21 and we won't have any classes that week. So that's the syllabus. Going back to Blackboard, I'll switch over to show you course materials. Course materials are things that can help and support you during any week of this course. For example, if you're not sure how to use WebEx to have a meeting with me, you could click this link and then you would be able to see a video about how to use WebEx and you would find my WebEx link. Or if you're not sure how to do something on Blackboard, for example, you're not sure how to post a discussion board, you could watch a video here. So this has a lot of useful information. Faculty information has my name and contact information again, just so you have it in another place. Learning modules has a lot of the content for our class. So each week there will be a new folder. Okay, and within each folder, you will see the objectives of what we're studying. Then you will see 2 inside folders. module activities, which you should do to start, and then module assignments, which are due every Sunday, January 23 at 11:30 p.m. So, let's go through first the module activities. So for the module activities, you're already on your way. You're reviewing the syllabus and schedule and watching this video. When you finish doing that, click that you completed it, okay, by clicking on that link and saying, I agree, and then click submit. That shows me that you read the syllabus, okay? Next, we have several videos. Numbers 3 through 6 are videos that provide the content for this class. You can see that some of them also have worksheets or other attachments that go along with them. Just like in class, you would be studying, you would be listening to me talk and doing some activities together. This sort of that's what this videos are. Okay, that's what the videos are for the online class. It's not something you can skip or miss because you won't be able to understand the assignments. So it's really important to take some time to do these activities and follow along with them, and they will help you keep learning. Okay, going back to our main week 1 folder, you will see the assignments folder where these assignments are due on January 23rd. The first assignment is an introduction discussion board for getting to know you. So you can also access the discussion board at this link here, or by clicking on the discussion board here. You can see my post with an example introduction, and you would click create thread and type your introduction and then submit it. Okay, and you're also asked to reply to 2 other classmates, which you do by clicking on their post and then clicking reply. So that's the first assignment for the week. Let me go back now to learning modules in week 1 and our assignments. Okay, you also have under assignments, you will have your first essay assignment. So this essay assignment is about your identity. What factors have contributed to the development of your identity? So this is a cause essay because it's looking at the reasons why you are the way that you are. Okay, you'll see a lot more information about cause essays in the videos for this week. So your job for this week is to write a thesis statement and 3 topic sentences about your own identity. So if you follow through step by step the activities, you will be able to see exactly how to do this. Okay, so I will also be conducting a question and answer session where you'll be able to ask more questions about this. Okay, finally, we have our first editing assignment for the week, which is a grammar point subject verb agreement. So for this one, you click on the link and you can open it as a PDF or a document. You will see the videos and you will see activities that you need to do, and you will submit those related to the videos. Okay, so those are the 3 assignments for the week. So going back to week 1, in the email that I sent you received this survey that is asking you to vote here for the best meeting times for you. So let's have a look at that. So when are the best times for you to meet for optional group review sessions or question and answer sessions? So I hope to schedule a session this coming week, the week of the 17th, January 17, 18 through 20, right? Or 21, I guess, one of those days. And I will send an announcement when we determine the best time. So if you have questions, you can email me or you can attend the session to ask one of those questions. I already showed the discussion board. WebEx meetings is the link to access the meeting with me. So you would click the link. It might ask you to download or give permission, but it's always free. There's also a free app for your phone called Cisco WebEx Meetings that you can use to access that, and you'll be able to start the meeting there. It's not going to work right now for me because I'm also recording, but that's where you will be able to see it anytime that you have a meeting with me. Resources is another tab that I have on Blackboard, and it provides extra practice with a lot of the skills we are studying, like the important parts of an essay. So if you haven't written an essay before, you could review each part of the essay in this section. Okay, there's also folders for each grammar point we're studying. Like, for example, this week we're studying subject-verb agreement. If you think like, I need some more practice with that, you could click here and do that practice. Okay, finally, My Grades will always have your grade information on Blackboard. So that's the main, I gave you a lot of information. That's the main information that you need for this class for this week. I look forward to getting to know you guys, and I hope you have a great start to your semester. Keep in touch and always let me know any questions or concerns you have. Thanks, guys. Bye.